Hello guys, today we are at a Guelph Drive Test Center. We are going to Guelph G2 test route. They have two separate routes. I am going to show you both the route one by one. After that, if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go to Guelph G2 route number 1. You have to park in the parking lot here, back of the building, and then the examiner will tell you to take left. Take left here, look around. No one is coming in my way. I'll take left here. Look around. Anyone coming in my way? No one. Usually you will see like a lot of pedestrians around here. Make sure you watch them. Look around. Keep this pedestrian like a king. Don't scare anybody on the road. Look around. Look everywhere. Look all the entrances. Keep on the right side of the road. So we'll take a right on the main road, but there's no stop sign there. But treat it like a stop sign. We'll take right here. Make sure you stop here completely. There's no stop sign here, but we are going on the main road. Make sure to stop it completely. And no one is coming in my way. I will take a right here. And next traffic light, go left. That's a Woodlawn road. We take a left here. Where a signal blind spot, I will go to left lane. Light turn to yellow, red. I will stop here. Complete stop. So complete stop here, and wait for the light to turn to green. Look around. When you're standing at the intersection, make sure you keep checking everywhere. Look around, look back every 5 seconds. One truck is coming behind me. Right? Because when you take a left here, you have to change it to right. So how will we know who is going to come in our way? Right? So if we know if we know what's going on behind us, we can predict that who can come in our way. Now we have one truck beside me. I have one car behind me. So when I turn left, I should know who can come in my way. So I have to keep on checking back mirror all the time, even when you're standing here. Both hands on the steering. Keep on checking around, look around. Yeah, your light will turn to red soon. I have to keep on checking around here. Look, it's a Woodlawn road. We have to take a left on the Woodlawn road. Look around. Yes, the truck is moving on the side. Yeah, good. And our light is going to turn to green soon. And light turn to green. Look around both sides again, and then take left here. Left to leftmost lane here. This lane. And speed limit is 60 here on Woodlawn Road. And one car is right beside me. I cannot change lane. Yeah, let him go. One more car is right beside me. I cannot change lane. Let him go also. That's fine. Don't rush. Make a space for you. Okay. There is a signal blind spot. Change it to right. MSP and change it to right. Good. Check both sides. In the intersection is coming. Check both sides. Good. Look around. Speed limit is 60 here. Check both sides in the intersection. Check both sides on the railway track. And when by chance if you have to stop on somewhere in the traffic light, don't stop on the railway track. Either stop before or after. They may take you right sometime from here. This Edinburgh drive also, or they can take you straight also. Usually they go straight from this traffic light. Just check both sides and check all the driveways everywhere. Look around. Make sure actively check everywhere. Next traffic light, we will take a right. We'll take a right from the traffic light. That's called Nicklin Road. Go right from the traffic light. Light is green. I can take a right here. Good. Take a right here. Good. And speed limit is 40 in these streets. And in these streets, somewhere examiner is going to ask you 3-point turn, uphill and downhill. Sometimes they ask parallel parking also. They will ask you in these streets. And make sure check all the pedestrians, all the cars, everything in these streets. Yeah, look around. It's a stop sign, always stop sign. Always stop sign meaning is for everybody. We are first here, complete stop, check both sides, then go. Even though no one is there, still we have to stop completely, then check. No one is coming, we can take a right. They will drive you around in these streets. They do all the 3-point turn, uphill and downhill, parallel parking in these streets. Keep on checking around, look all the driveways. When pedestrian is coming in our way, maybe yes, keep an eye on the pedestrian. Yes, when pedestrian coming in our way, yeah, keep an eye on that. Yeah, good. Just keep an eye. They are standing. Yeah, good. Yes. Keep keep this pedestrian like a king. If any pedestrian coming in our way, treat them like a king. If king is happy, you are happy. So pedestrian, like, don't scare any pedestrian on the road. It's the summertime, like so many kids are outside, so they're playing outside. So keep on watching on those things. Okay. Next stop sign, take left. Take left here. It's called Brentwood Drive. It is stop before the crosswalk. There's no white line here. I'll stop before the crosswalk. Check. Anyone coming? No one coming. Our way is clear. I will take left here. And look around. Keep speed limit 40 only. Check all the driveways. Check back for every 5 seconds. Totally active. Drive car like totally active. It's a full-time job. Driving car. It's good. Look around. Drive nicely in the whole neighborhood. Yeah, look around here. Look around. Again, always stop sign. Complete stop here. Complete stop at the stop sign. Complete. Yeah, good. One pedestrian is there. They are not coming in the way. That's it. Good. We'll take a right from the stop sign. See, it's written the maximum 40 area ends. It's a stop sign here, and police cars are going. Very good. If the police cars are going, don't move your car. Let's stop here now. Complete stop. So speed bill will check. Anyone coming in our way? No one is coming. We can take a right here. Good. Take a right here. And after that, they may take you right from this Edinburgh Drive, or this next one there. We'll take the next one, but they both are going to the same place. Light is green. Check both sides. Everything is clear. No one is can come our way. Check railway track. Check both sides. We'll take a right from the next traffic light. On the speed limit is 60 here. Now we'll take a right from this traffic light. It's a Dawson Road. We'll take a right here. Light is green. I can turn right. Speed limit is 50. Look around. Look around. Railway track, check both sides. Just before the railway track, check both sides. Not on the railway track, before the railway track. Check both sides before the railway track. Speed limit 50 here. Look around, look on all the driveways on the sides. All the driveways, look everywhere, everything is clear. The railway track again, check both sides. It's good, check both sides here. And the next traffic light we will take left. Take left here, clear signal blind spot. Go to left. Light is red, is a woodland wood. Stop here completely. Our light is red, their light is green. Keep on checking. When you're standing at the traffic light, keep on checking both sides, both hands are steering on the steering, and check everywhere. Look front, back, everywhere. Look around. Their light is green, our light is red. Keep an eye on that. Check back mirror, who can come in our way. We should know everything actively. Their light turned to yellow now. Maybe our light will turn to green soon. Keep actively check everything. Look around. Anyone coming? No. Take left here. Good. And then mirror signal blind spot. Change it to right. MSB, check everywhere. And then next traffic light, take a right. Speed limit is 60 here. Next traffic light, we will take a right. Mirror signal blind spot, we'll take a right here. There's arrow road. Light is green, I can take a right here. After that, next entrance, we'll take a left. There's the examination center. Okay, we'll take a left here. And after coming back here, the examiner is going to on the right side somewhere. They ask you do back parking also. So we are not going to do right now. For that, you can watch my other videos. But they ask back parking somewhere here. And after the doing back parking, they will take you straight. They will tell you to park somewhere in that lines straight. So we'll park somewhere straight there. And you have to park here. Good. Right? Then examiner tell you put in parking. Yes. And then examiner tell you, congratulations, you meet Ministry standard today. You pass your test. Congratulations, you pass your test. Go and get your license from inside.
Let's go and do parallel parking between the two cones and go beside the first cone. Keep 1 meter distance from the cone and look for the first cone from the back window like this. See cone in the back window, then turn one time to right side, only one time, okay? And then come back and see the same cone behind the right mirror like this, yes, like this, and then turn all the way to left. And here you go. Your car is parked between the two cones like this. That's it. That's a perfect parallel parking between the two cones. Let's do 3-point turn today. First pull over on the right side, check mirror, signal blind spot and pull over on the right side at the right place like this. And then look around everywhere, everything is okay, no one coming, put left indicator on, look around and then turn left. Go until you can see the curb under the left corner like this. Yep. And then put right indicator, turn all the way to right and come back. And when you can see the curb under the front corner of the back window, yeah, like this, right? Then put left indicator, look around and then turn left. That's it. This is what called 3-point turn. Parking number 2. Keep your car as far as possible from the parking lines. And keep your shoulder in the middle of number 1, exactly in the middle of the number 1, and keep your car as far as possible. Then turn fully whichever parking lot you are going to go. That's it. Your car will go straight into the parking lot. Look how nicely we came inside. That's it. Okay, we are going to park in number 1. Okay, you have to park here in number 1. Skip number 2. And make sure go in the middle of number 3. Exactly your shoulder should be in the middle of number 3. And match your middle with the parking lot. And then turn fully left or right, whichever side you're going to park, that side. And look around and look at the side where your car is going. And here you go, your car will be in the middle of the parking lot of number 1. See, when your car is coming straight, and after that straighten the wheel. Yes, and go back straight inside. And look back. When you're going back, always look back so that you don't hit any other car in the back there. Always look whichever side you're going. See how nicely we are into the parking lot.
Hope you like my video and make sure you do a lot of practice before the test. If you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.